Hold on. Like this. Ja, je moet hold it like that.
Right.
I'm fighting for democracy because democracy is precious and one man shouldn't decide that another country shouldn't have it.
I was over in Iraq and yeah, was there for a few months and then flew home, saw my missing kids, hadn't seen them for a while and basically said, yeah, I'm going to Ukraine. So big shock and I feel a bit sorry for them, to be fair. I know they were pretty upset, but you know, people need me here.
I'm a little bit nervous, I can be honest, but at the same time, like, it's not about me, it's about the people that are suffering there. So when you see the images, you see the people that are here right now, you understand that you're not suffering, this is more about them.
And basically we're here because of the war crimes that are being committed. Obviously the president asked if he can help, and I started to think about it, and then I started to read the war crimes, and that's when it gets sickening.